Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Nvidia control panel display setting menu when it's missing, not loading or not working on your laptop. Let's fix this simple step. First, open your laptop and your laptop may using a Intel graphic, not Nvidia. Right click on your desktop and select Nvidia control panel. If display menu is missing, press Ctrl plus X and choose the device management. Once display adapter and make sure your Nvidia GPU is detected. If you only see Intel, then your GPU driver is not installed properly. Many laptops only allow the Intel GPU to control the screen, not Nvidia. So if you're trying to assess resolution or refresh rate setting, Nvidia might not showing them. Try to connect external monitor using HDMI or USB-C. Reopen the control panel, then display may often appear when a monitor is connected. Sometimes a broken custom setting hides the display menu. For that, open Nvidia control panel, go to manage the 3D setting, click restore default. Now close and reopen the control panel. This refresh the interface and fix missing display options. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. Found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.